Hi everyone, what we'll be doing right now is showing you how to replicate a Google dashboard from Tableau Public. So here is a Google Play Store analysis by Pradeep Kumar. So Pradeep Kumar is a Tableau Public visualizer. So we would like to replicate his dashboard that he has here. So first of all, we'll check if the data is available. We can see that the data is not available. So what we do next is we search. So we're looking for the Google Play Store analysis neomorphism dataset. So Google says there's no public available datasets, but there are datasets on Cargo. So we go to Cargo. So here we can see a dataset that has been created. So this dataset is 5 columns. On deeper search, find out there's another dataset with 13 columns. So if you come to Pradeep's visual, you can see there's an app dataset. You can see the category dataset, rating, size, and installed datasets. You can see these datasets, they are here. Category, license, ratings, downloads. So with all the datasets, we now have a look at the datasets on either Google Sheet or we have a look at the dataset. The reason why we look at the dataset at the time is to know where we have empty cells, to know what each column contains, if there are strings, and we can also format it. If you don't have Google Sheets, you can also open the dataset on Excel for web. It's a free option for anyone with a Outlook or old Hotmail account. So what we'll do next is to load our data sets on IBM Cognos. So on IBM Cognos, I loaded the data set as Google Play Store modified. So how do you upload your data? You come here, click on new, and you can upload your data. You can see it here. That's the Google Play Store dataset. So after uploading data sets, I would open the dashboard which I created. So here we have the dashboard which we're going to duplicate. Here it is on IBM Cognos. I have been using IBM Cognos for a while, but recently I got to know you can still edit the default templates. So I used the template that is the 5 dashboard template. So from we have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven elements on this dashboard. So we will start with the pie charts. So we go to our data source, which is the Google Play data source. The pie chart has licensing for those free and paid users. So we go to bring in the type field. So each of these shows us where we can drop. So we have different user types. And then we have the number under the app count. So we go to the app, bring it to the edge where you see the line showing here. So we will now change it from a table to pie chart. Right? So it's telling us there's a problem. So we take our type to size and let's come to our fields. Let's take our app here and we'll remove type column from segments. Yeah, okay. So I think I might have brought in the wrong field here, but let's looking at this, we have those on free and paid. So we should have it here. I think free paid is on that type. So let us bring up down to good. So we have the numbers. We have free, paid, and not available. So what we want on the pie chart is free and paid alone. So we will quickly exclude not available, we'll exclude zero. We'll later customize on a different video all our charts. But for now, we want to just do the foundation of what we're presenting. So we have here, we have it in percentage and we have a donut. So we'll go to next, we'll go to roof. We've gotten the fields correctly. We also have the title and we have the legend. So title is license and the legend is in percentage. So we'll come here to the properties section. Legend title. We don't want legend title. We want to work on the chart. The donut hole radius, let's take it to be 48%. Okay, this works for us. That's 1%. High start angle is 0. Show value label. We don't need this value here. So we turn it off. Okay, we need the value labels. What we don't need is the inner label. Next, we would want our legend position. So we take our legend position to be on our right, which is here. We also want the legend alignment to be on center. So come down here. Next, we would see to it that we have our legend title, the license, all capital letter. So we also want it to be in percentage, free and paid to be in percentage. So we can see free and paid is in percentage. Value in legend is percentage. So we also want the free to come before paid. So we would change the order. We can change our color palette also to custom palette. Let us use the Google bars. Let's choose this first. Paid, free. The default item symbol shape is circle. We have our legend title. We have our configuration type. Okay, so we are done with this. We can drag it in, but let us go to the next. So the next is our top categories: family, game, business tools, against app account. So bring our category here. Against app account. App account will be our installs. Okay, so now we have it on the table. We want it to be in a bar chart. Find it to see. So for the length of the bars, we want it to be count. Let us pick installs. Okay, so we want top five. So we say top, bottom, five, top count. Let's see why it didn't work. Yeah. Okay. Let us remove. Let's go to upload. Something is Store counts 275 and store counts here is 1909. So I think we have to check what the problem is. Seems to be a filter on. We don't need this. Let's check our previous tab to see how we have the problem. App, print, category, color. App. Oh, this is a mistake. An app not installed. App and length and category color. So we have what we want. We go to our properties. We don't want. So first of all, on our category, we go back again to take our top five. And category color. We don't want the legend. That's so here we have the labels at the end. So we want labels to show. So we want labels to show for our chat. So we say show value labels. We don't want our axis to show item axis, we turn it off. Value access line, we turn it off. Item access title, we don't need it, so we turn it off. Item access labels, we want the labels to show. Value access title, we don't want it. You can see we don't have any of them here. We also don't want our grid. So next, with our chart. We have zero origin. We don't want the zero to show. Turn it off. Keep it locked on. We'll come back to this, the app category. And hold down shift to align. So the next thing we have is the number of apps. So 8th of August 2018. So come to apps and drop it and see. Then we'll take a summary. Nine 9,660 apps, 260K. So have that done. So this is about half of the charts. Let's name it Google App Store dashboard. So we'll continue from this in our next video. Thank you.